What's up everyone? Getting good quality audio for whatever you're producing is super important. If you click on something and there's just bad audio quality, instant turn off. So today with us we have this wireless microphone kit by Bietrun, and we're going to see if getting something like this, which costs about $100 and a lot of the time less if there's a sale going on, if that's worth getting over something more popular like the Rode Wireless Go, which instead goes for $220. A lavalier or lapel microphone, whatever you want to call it, works best in situations where you're getting audio from one single person. If you're trying to get audio from multiple people, you probably want to use a shotgun microphone on a boom pole. If you're using lavs, sometimes all these signals can get a little bit complicated and you can sometimes get bleed over audio in other people's microphones. Or if you're doing a bit bigger of a production, maybe you can get lavs on everyone as well as a shotgun microphone. It really just depends on the number of people you have as well as the budget and just other characteristics of the shot. First off, this thing is super easy to get up and running. You plug the receiver into your camera and you can mount it via the cold shoe, and then you want to put your transmitter on your talent, whoever you're getting your audio from. Turn both on and you're good to go. The only thing you have to do is make sure they are on the same channel though, because you have a whole 50 to choose from. Besides using this thing on a camera, you can also use it on your phone if you're using that to make content instead. Like the Rode Wireless Go, this also has a built-in microphone on the transmitter. So instead of plugging in a lav or something, you can use that if you want. The omnidirectional audio coming from the built-in transmitter is actually good, and I've switched over to it as you can tell, but there is a problem not just with this specific microphone, but with the kit in general. There is a very prevalent high-pitch hiss. This threw me off because it would be there most of the time and sometimes disappear. I tested everything to see what was causing it, like maybe the volume level or the channel I was on, but no. So basically, the screen will dim after I'd say about 10 seconds of not touching either the transmitter or receiver. And basically, once that happens, it kind of goes into some sort of a power saving mode, and that's when the hiss starts up. If you touch, say, the volume button during the recording, the screen will light up again and the noise disappears for a tiny bit. I looked at other people's videos also using this kit, and their video had the same exact problem, to which they actually didn't even address. You can remove the hiss in Audacity or Premiere Pro somewhat easily, but it just kind of nukes the overall quality. So while the built-in microphone has some positive qualities, the hiss just makes it basically unusable. The noise floor is also really high with this kit, regardless of what volume you're at. There's a lot of white noise. Also nicely included with this kit is a lavalier microphone. Here's what it sounds like. It's much more centered around those lower tones. It's okay, it's a bit muffled, but again, unusable due to the hiss. This mic kit uses UHF transmission, and the pickup distance can reach up to 100 meters with no obstacle, but more realistically, with stuff in the way in normal conditions, you're going to get around 35 meters, which is still really great. The battery life is decent, coming in at 4 hours, and there are a total of 15 volume levels, and I like the LCD display on both the transmitter and receiver. It's really useful for, making sure you're on the right channel, as well as making sure your audio levels are good and nothing is peaking. Everything included in this kit is the transmitter, a receiver, a lav microphone with a wind cover, two 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter cords, a dual USB cord for charging, very cool, and a little carrying pouch to stuff everything inside of. As an option for recording your audio, while you do get everything you need to start in a small, compact, and easy to use package, the hiss just makes everything unusable, even if you were to already have or buy a separate lav microphone. You don't want that hiss hanging around in the background. It's annoying and it's unprofessional. There are some things that this kit actually does better than more expensive options, like having a larger range of built-in volume options, channels to pick from, as well as an impressive range. But those things are icing on the non-existent cake. There are some decent audio solutions similar to this out there, but from what I've seen, it looks like going with a more expensive, tried and true option is the way to go for reliable quality audio. Thanks for watching. The link to the Bietrun wireless microphone kit is in the description below. As well, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.